Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Kinanti Wahyu Saputri. I am usually called Kinanti or Kinan. I was born in Semarang on August 25, 2003. I am the only child in my family. I study at SMKN 7 Semarang and currently sitting in grade 13 majoring in Sanitation and Maintenance Building Construction Engineering, or commonly called TKGSB. Studying at one of my favorite school in Semarang is one of my pride and also challenge for me because SMKN 7 Semarang is one of the schools with a length of education of 4 years, which there will be more stage to achieve graduation, one of which is PKL or fieldwork practice. PKL activities are carried out when students are in grade 13 to fulfill one of the graduation requirements. The street vendor activity also aims to increase knowledge which of course has not been obtained from school and also about the world of work in the field of expertise. PKL activity are carried out in groups. My group consists of 4 people. Carrying out street vendor activity in a pandemic like this doesn't make me and my friend lose enthusiasm. Even though at first we had difficulty finding a place for street vendor. Each of us looking for a place reference to serve as a street vendor. Finally, we found a place for street vendors in one of the projects of the CV Prima Aku, which is located on Siranda Street, number 8. The project is carrying out the construction of a luxury residence which has 3 floors with 2 basements for parking lots. On the first day we carried out street vendors, the construction project had reached the stage of ironing for beams, columns, and floor plates. The street vendors activity was carried out for 6 months. We were also asked to make daily reports and also street vendors report as proof that we had done street vendors well. Each child was given a report title at the time of the street vendors. I got the title about the concrete floor plate. Coincidentally, the concrete floor plate in this project is slightly different from the concrete floor plate in ordinary resident house because the concrete floor slab use floor deck as formwork and also as positive reinforcement which adds to the strength of the concrete floor slab. My friend and I got a lot of new knowledge and work experience that we didn't get at school. Especially this year, there was a pandemic that made learning in school done online. Of course, making teaching and learning activity inefficient. We also become more aware of the real situation in the world of work. With this street vendor, I can directly practice the knowledge I get from school in the field. The field supervisor in the project did not give us specific assignments. We were only asked to observe while the work was going on. But we took the initiative to help out and try some work that could be done. One of the jobs we did at the time of the street vendors was cutting the iron reinforcement used to beams and columns, helping to maintain the reinforcement when placing vertical floor plate and column, installing the bricks, helping with warehouse arrangements and checking goods, and also helping during the casting process. One of the jobs that caught my attention was at the time of foundry work, because foundry work was not as simple as I thought. There are many steps that must be done before casting, namely by calculating the volume of concrete to be cast first and then placing an order for ready-mix concrete according to the calculated volume. If the casting is done on the top floor, the contractor must also hire a pump truck to deliver the fresh concrete to the top floor. After casting, the concrete must undergo post-casting concrete maintenance stage. After gaining new knowledge and experience during street vendors, I became more interested in learning about development. I also know what problems can arise during development work. so I can minimize errors that occur in the future. The TKGSP major not only learns how to build a building properly and correctly, but also learn how to calculate the required budget for a building and also calculate the materials need to be efficient. The TKGSP department is currently very much needed at this time because Indonesia is currently also developing infrastructure for a new capital on a large scale. So the job opportunity available are bigger. And also if you are going to continue to the world of lecture, you will be more focused in determining the choice of major to be taken. Entering the TKGSP major in SMKN 7 Semarang is one of the initial stage to start an interest in the world of development, which of course can help development in this country. That's essay about my street vendor's experience while in the project of the CV Prima Agung. Of course, there are still many shortcomings in writing this essay. I apologize for the shortcoming. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.